Hey guys, welcome to EcoHub Digital Empowerment Initiative Training. In our last video, we asked ChatGPT AI through our prompts to design a crusade flyer for us. So in this video, I would like us to use the initial design of the flyer, the crusade flyer we designed, and ask ChatGPT to give us a whole new different crusade concept entirely. But we're going to use the flyer. We'll not tell the AI to automatically use that design and give us a different concept. So so you can have a crusade flyer already or a design that you have, but you don't really want that design anymore and you want a different design concept entirely. So all you have to do is upload the picture to your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a whole new design entirely. So basically, if you want to replace the informations on your initial flyer, you can just simply ask ChatGPT to replace the certain information that you want. Okay, so I'm going to try something here. So in case you have a flyer design there or you have a flyer design concept and you want to replace some certain informations and you automatically want, but you also want the concept to be different. So this is how you go about it. So follow me closely. So in case you have such challenge and you really don't know what to do, let me give you a glimpse of how it really works. So let's go. Well, so in this video, I'll be using this. This is the design I have. Let's say I uploaded this design and I want ChatGPT to give me a whole new different concept, whereby I also want to change the 5 days crusade to probably a 7 days crusade. And also I want to change, let's say I want to change the theme to something else, and I also want to change um the crusade location to something else. So follow me closely. So whenever you're editing yours, it will be super easy for you. Now let's go. Okay, let's go. I've written something here. As you can see, this is the crusade flyer that I want to automatically change the concept. And this is my prompt. Give me a new design concept for this crusade flyer entirely that is more impressive. So with this particular statement alone, ChatGPT AI automatically changed the concept of the whole entire flyer. Now update, as you can see, update the duration to 7 days. That's to say, from 5 days, I said she'll give us 7 days crusade. Now the theme that is what God cannot do does not exist will now be replaced to the God that answers prayer will answer me. And as you can see, the Bible a Bible quotation that is 91 Psalm 91 now will be replaced to Psalm 23, as you can see. But now something is missing. Let's ask ChatGPT to make it also a 3D design. I can see also make it a 3D design. 3D design. Now with that, it's going to be a 3D also design, something like this, a 3D design, as you can see. So now let's go back, and this is just what we want. Since we also have uploaded the image. In your case, if in your case, in my case, it might be totally different because I already have the image from the initial design we did. Now in your own case, what you have to do, if you're written a statement like this, this is your prompt. As you've written your prompt, all you have to do, if you have the image, probably the crusade flyer in your phone, so all you have to do is to upload this to your prompt. So ChatGPT will now scan through the design and do the updating. Mine update is taking place because I already have a design in the phone. Already ChatGPT AI already have it already from the system. And whatever, if I drop this command, it's going to work on the current flyer. But in your case, you have to go and select from your photos. You have to click your photos automatically and then select the flyer. When you select the flyer from there, it will automatically appear here. As you know from our initial videos how it works, it automatically appear from here. Then when you send this command, ChatGPT will now automatically replace the informations that you want to replace from that flyer you uploaded and replace them with the current information on your prompt. Okay, so that's how it really works. So if there are any questions, let us know. Now let's give ChatGPT the command and let's see what they have for us. Yeah, okay, welcome back. As you can see, This is the design. This is what ChatGPT have for us. Now this is the initial design. As you can see here, this was my initial design. As you can see, 5 days crusade with all the basic informations. This is the prompt we gave to ChatGPT to give us a new design concept for this video file entirely. She also make it a 3D design update. Now what we needed it to do is also to change it from the 5 days program to 7 days. The team that what God cannot do does not exist should also be the place to um the God answers prayers will answer me as initially this is Psalm 91 and this is Psalm 23. Now this is what ChatGPT have for us. During future present, the 7 days crusade team, the God that answers prayer will answer me and 20. As you can see, what the information given has been replaced. Now from the background, you can see the background, the images have changed, everything entirely. Even below, you see 7 days, 7 days of power. On that, if you look below, you will see 1 week of supernatural encounters, divine visitation, and answered prayers. This is the design. It's super cool, super nice. I love the design. It's a masterpiece. If you go through it, you'll see the difference. As you can see, this is the initial one. Look at the background. You see they are totally different. The difference is totally clear. Difference is totally clear. So it's so cool and so nice. I love the design. I love the design. As you can see. So all this design was carried out with our smartphones. So I'm happy that you're part of this training with Eco Edition Initiative training. You're going to be a good graphic designer, of course. We're going to do our best to make you perfect in what you're doing. In this age, you need to be good at one digital skill. Since you have chosen graphic designing, so we'll try our best to perfect you in this particular skill. If I have any complaint, any worries, do well to let us know and we will answer speedily. Okay. So thank you very much and see you in our next class.